Okay, so here's my new ride. It's one of the privileges of being single and doing whatever I want. So this is a foolish thing though. I got a busted faucet in my bathroom. I got a busted lock on my front door, and I got an element out on my stove. And what do? I go out and buy a mini bike to help me with my hunting because I can't walk very far anymore. So let's check it out. I'm going to see if I can get this thing down off the truck. I'm not going to let you watch me do that. So I'm going to strap my shotgun across the front of it there so I can shoot grouse along the road. Carry the rifle strapped across the front of me, and I think it's going to help me hunt. And I can go up and down the mountain. I don't have to walk. Okay, so what do you think? Can I put it in my camper? It might work. If not, I'll get some hooks for the bumper or something to do it. It'll work out just fine.